Hello students, class 10th CBSE NCERT pattern exercise 1.2. Today we will start exercise 1.2, and before we start this exercise I want to tell you something. First thing is prime number. What is mean a prime number? The number that has only two factors. And factors क्या? 1 and the number. It's called a prime number, as such as 2. Only two factors, 1 and 2 except 3, 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 5, 7, 1 and 7. If we take 6, so the factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this number is not a composite, prime number, it is a composite number. After that, I'll tell you about co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime number is 3/7. 1 multi 3 two factors and 1 multi 7. Only 1 is common. So the numbers which have not any common factors is called co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers is 5/9. 1 multi 5, 1 multi 3 multi 3. No common factor besides 1. So this is also a co-prime number. Only two things. These are enough. After that, I am going to start the exercise. First question. Prove 1.2. Question first. Prove root 5 is an rational number. To prove it, I'll try to prove it as a rational number. If I could not do so, then it will be an irrational number. So let root 5 is a rational number. And we all know that rational numbers are in the form of p/q, where q equal not 0 and p and q are co-prime numbers. Equation. Now I will square both sides. Make square both sides. make square both sides. What will happen? Root 5 whole square equal p by q whole square. Root 5 whole square equal to 5 equal p square upon q square. You can write it cross multiply 5q square 5q square equal p square. So q square equal to p square upon 5. So p square is w by 5. So p square is divisible by 5. If p square divisible by 5, then p is also divisible by 5. So I took p equal to 5c because I know p square 5 5 25 10 10 10 100, it will be divided by 5 equal to 5c and put the value in this equation. 5q square equal to 5c 5c whole square 5q square equal to 5 5 25 c square. I will take it this side and it this side. 25 c square equal to 5q square c square equal to 5q square upon 20 5 5 25 q square upon 5. So q is also divisible by 5, but we know that p and q are co-prime numbers. P and q are co-prime numbers. So root 5 equal not p by q. Root 5 is an irrational number. Like this was happened because our thinking was wrong that p and q are co-prime numbers, but they are not. So root 5 equal not p by q and root 5 is an rational number. This question is question number 2. prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. I will follow the same method. Let 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Here q equal not 0. If you want to write, you can write that p and q are 4 prime numbers, but here is it is not necessary here. So 3 plus 2 root 5 can be written in the form of p by q because we took it as a rational number. Now 2 root 5 equal p by q transparent minus 3. On the q is LCM here. It can be written 2 root 5 equal to p minus 3q upon q. So root 5 equal to q. P minus 3q down to q. It is in the form by p by q. Here p minus 3q upon 2q is a rational number. Because it is in the form of p by q. But in the other side, we know that root 5 is an irrational number. So root 5 cannot be equal p minus 3q upon 2q. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Question finish. Next question. Prove that the following are irrational. First, question number 3 or first 1 upon root. Let 1 upon root 2 is a rational number. Where q equal not 0 and p and q are 4 prime numbers. So 1 upon root 2 can be written in the form by p by q. Make space. Both sides. So 1 upon root 2 whole square equal to P by Q whole square. Now it can be written 1 upon 2 root 2 equal to P square upon Q square. Cross multiply 2P square equal to Q square. Equation A. Okay. It can make easy our question. So P square equal to Q square upon 2. Q square upon 2 is mean Q square divisible to mean Q square upon 2 is divisible by 2. So Q is also divisible by 2. First condition. Now I will take Q as 2C because Q is also a component of 2. So take Q equal to 2C and put the value in equation A. What is equation A? 2P square equal to Q square mean 2P square Q equal to 2C whole square. It can be written 2P square equal to 2 to 4C square here and here. So 4C square equal to 2P square and C square equal to 2P square upon 4 to 1 2 equal to P square upon 2. So P square is also divisible by 2. So P square is also divisible by 2. So P will also divide the effort by 2. But I know that P and Q are co-prime numbers. This was happened because our theory was wrong. We took a wrong idea. So 1 upon root 2 equal not P by Q, then 1 upon root 2 is a rational number. Second one is second part. Question 3, part 7, 7 root 5. By previous method, let 7 root 5 is a rational number. So 7 root 5 equal to P by Q, where Q equal not 0 and P and Q are co-prime numbers. 7 root 5 equal to P by Q. 7 down root 5 equal P upon down जाएगा 7Q. Here P minus here P upon 7Q is irrational because it is in the form of P by Q, but we know that root 5 is rational. So root 5 cannot be equal to P by 7Q. So 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Finish हो गया. Last part है इसका. Six plus root 2. Reverse method apply. Let 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. So 6 plus root 2 will equal to P by Q. Transfer root 2 equal to P upon Q minus 6. LCM Q root 2 equal to P minus 6Q upon Q. Condition. Yes. P by Q form mean P minus 6Q upon Q is a rational number because it is in the form of P by Q, but we know that root 2 is rational. So root 2 equal to P minus 6Q upon Q. 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. This exercise is finished. See the video, like it and share. Thanks.